course you're late. How long? How much am I late? And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. Everybody, do you love being a trader? I mean, you must love this job, right? Today it was wow. It still is. Today it was wow, it's continuing. Who loves being a trader, huh? Do you love being a trader? It's a joke, right? But you really must love being a trader. Today, exactly, we had the, just looking here, it was yen. It was in the morning, we entered the basket trade on yen, and now it's crashing down. Euro was going down, it was the interest rate. Euro pushed down in the interest rate. Let's check what happened. Thursday, so Euro, they leave the unchanged. Euro says, I love this business, very good. And then it was wow, right? Up and down, up and down, up and down. It was very good today. Look at let's open a better chart. Give me a second, everybody. Classes. Today it was one of the days I was talking to myself and I was saying, this is why it's worth being a trader. It cannot get better than this, right? All the adrenaline and the action, so let's delete. Euro JPY was the money maker this morning. Euro JPY on the 1 hour chart. See everybody? So we were shorting the yen pairs. This is advanced trader stock. We were shorting the yen pairs from here, all down to here, and down to here, everything down to here, and then was the Euro news announcement, right? Euro news, and down in here, then on the 50-minute chart, it just like whoops, swooped up. So we get quickly out of the positions, out of the hedges, reverse the positions. Now we are long on all the Euro pairs. How cannot you love this business, right? And give me a second, everybody. I'm going to clone. Do I have baskets? Classes, crypto, AUD. Alright, let's build the Euro basket, right? And clone chart, and yeah, Sasha is laughing. Clone chart. So Euro JPY, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, Euro JPY, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, Euro dollar, Euro GBP, and if I'm not mistaken, Euro CHF, right? Look in here, everybody. Yeah, you learned this in the US dollar index course. You're learning this, how to basket trade. So if you go on the 1 hour chart, Euro AUD, 1 hour chart, Euro New Zealand, 1 hour chart, Euro GBP, 1 hour chart, Euro CHF, 1 hour chart, Euro dollar 1 hour chart. Can you see it, everybody? This is called this is not beginner talk anymore. This is advanced talk, advanced trader talk. And now you have the euro basket now going up. Yeah, we're going to check the yen. So I believe the yen stopped. The yen stopped falling down, right? The euro is doing pretty good right now. And remember, tomorrow might be another story. Tomorrow we have the non-farm payroll, right? I mean, you should love this job, right? This profession. Today it was wow. I mean, are we missing any euros? So open talking about euros, right? Euro UD. Ah, Eurocat clone chart. We have one more Eurocat. Thank you very much. Yep, Bitcoin. Fibo and Ichi are barking. So there we go, Eurocat 2, right? Euro basket rate. But remember, tomorrow, you know, it's it depends, because tomorrow we have Canadian news and dollar news. So this basket rate, you know, maybe on the yen you can keep it, maybe on the New Zealand you can keep it, GBP maybe, CAD not, Euro CAD not, tomorrow we have news. Euro AUD maybe you can keep it, Euro dollar no, and Euro CHF would be a yes, right? No, there is no right or wrong. Alright, so this was Euro news event. You should love it. So what? 100 crypto, one. Let's put like two basket euro. There you go. And this morning was the yen, right? So AUD JPY. You are trading the yen, AUD JPY. Which one is next? AUD JPY, Canada JPY. Then is CHF JPY that Javan is talking about. Then it's Euro JPY. Then Euro JPY, GBP, whoops, GBP JPY, NZD JPY, and USD JPY. See everybody, now all the yen pairs, we're falling down, now they're moving up, right? NZD JPY 1 hour chart. See everybody how this works? Yeah, you are going to learn this in the, it's called the US dollar index course and basket trading. Nice, huh? How the market works? I mean, you should really love this job. Julius too, yeah, I love this business. You know? I mean, there is no right or wrong if you are. So this is going to be the yen, right? Open, and this is going to be two basket yen. Alright? No, this is not a strategy. Be very careful, everybody. Be very, very, very careful. Don't mix apples with bananas. This is not a strategy. Alright. And tomorrow we have the non-farm payroll. So AUD, AUD, USD, AUD, USD. Which one is the next one? AUD, USD, Euro, Euro, USD. Whoops. Euro, USD. Then we have GBP USD. Then we have NZD USD. Then we have Canada USD. Whoops. USD CAD. Then we have USD CHF. And then we have USD JPY, right? Now this pair, you know, it's trending differently, right? If you can see it, everybody, it's trending differently than, you know. So AUD USD is moving up, Euro dollar it's moving up, but not that violently, you know. GBP USD moving up, NZD USD it's kind of not moving up, as you can see. USD CAD is going down, right? Because the dollar is the base currency here. Alright, so it's here. USD CHF it's also not kind of, you know, really moving down. And USD JPY, talking about the yen, it's reversing, right? So everybody, what's the plan for tomorrow? Tomorrow we have the non-farm payroll. So open and give it a second. Give it a second, give it a second, give it a second. We need to save this one, right? And this is going to be 2 basket USD, 2 basket USD. There you go. Yeah, right, we had fun this morning. We are still having fun. We are still having fun. Everybody, give me a second. I believe Sasha is laughing right now. Hedge fund. Oh, not yet. But she is long on Euro New Zealand. And NZUSD. Mark, don't worry. Tomorrow it's non-farm payroll. Right? And everybody open. If you open Euro New Zealand, just an example. If we open Euro New Zealand, give it a second. And give it a second, everybody. I'm going to re-enter a few times. Give me a second, it's re-enter here. Everybody, give me a second. I need to enter other positions. Alright. Just a moment. 1 Euro New Zealand 1.76224. Alright, and we have Euro AUD 2. 0 point, right, give it a second. 164, 1.64. Protection, right? Give it a second. So right. Julius, did you enter CHF JPY? Shorting? CHF JPY was a yen play, right? Alright, everybody, so we are here and wow, this was the Euro news, right? This was Sasha's entry, you know. This was the Euro was falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. They didn't, no boss, why not? They didn't do anything with the interest rate, and then is Lagarde still the president of the, let's go on Google, right? Uncle Google. Uncle Google. Who is the president of ECB? Is Christine Lagarde still? Oh, still Christine Lagarde. So she must, she smiled a little bit, you know, and said, oh, we are doing good, our economy is good, and Europe is strong, and whatever. You talk to Yanis from Germany, no, Germany is not doing good, you know, but anyway, you know, it's the perception. Anyways, you know, going long, right? Going long, and Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand daily chart. Euro New Zealand daily chart. See everybody how this works? And consolidation may be out, and consolidation may be out. Give it a second. How curious, huh? That the market went down to the pivot point, and then Lagarde comes in, and the market just go up from the pivot point, right? Don't worry, everybody, it's all good. Those are the news weeks. Make sense? There is no right or wrong. If you love the news, if you love the news, you had fun today, right? And tomorrow we have CAD again and the dollar again. And Julius says CHF JPY. Give me a second, everybody. CHF JPY. CHF JPY, it's what it's called. What is it called? CHF JPY. Who knows? I've been calling this pair for 1 year. I'm still calling it. As you can see it from the, I'm still calling this pair. I'm still calling this pair. Specifically this one. Not the other CHF pairs, not the other CHF pairs, but this one. Everybody remember, this is no recommendation and this is not trading or investment advice, right? You need to have your strategy. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk, you know. So Julius, you know, or if I would be you, let's say like this, you know, if I were you, I would short the market and I would put the stop loss up in here. Period, end of story. And so maybe, just maybe it's too soon, right? But we are waiting for this low. Then we're going to drive what car? What car we're going to drive when this happens? Are we going to drive the Toyota Corolla? Nothing against. Are we going to drive the respectable Volkswagen Golf? Are we going to drive the respectable, what else is there? Respectable Hyundai? No, nothing wrong. Boss, I love Toyota Corolla, what's wrong with it? Nothing wrong. But if this happens, then probability wise, we are going to drive the Lambo down in here. Remember, still a guessing game, the market can do anything it wants. J-Van, Lambo, exactly. Oh, Melissa was first. Lambo, I would call it a whale as it can feed the whole village. We are joking, right? But do you prefer to feed the villagers? Would you rather feed the whole village, or would you rather be selfish and drive a Lambo? No, I'm just joking, come on. Boss, why the Lambo trade? Because potentially this market should go all back down. Make sense? Boss, why CHF JPY? Because of the yen as a currency base, and because of the CHF as a currency base. Alright? I've been calling this trade, I believe, for more than a year. We made, everybody, I'm not bragging, I'm just trying to explain to you. We made a lot of money in here, thinking that, oh, it's at the monthly band, now this is the Lambo trade. But then it stopped going down, and then it was just a waiting game. Waiting game. I can tell you how long I'm predicting this one, and I'm calling it out. I can tell you how long. Talking about months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, a year. Nearly a year I'm calling this trade. The Lambo trade. The Lambo trade. Melissa, my family of 22 is a bit. Ask them. Ask your son, everybody. Son, would you prefer a great meal, nutritious food, or would you prefer a Lambo? What is the son going to say? The heck with the nutritious food. Give me the Lambo. Alright, so this was... Alright, everybody. Tomorrow it's our last Forex trading week. I hope you had fun so far. So, question, how are you going to make money tomorrow on the US dollar pairs? Any idea how are you going to make money on AUD USD? How are you going to make money on NZD USD? How are you going to make money on Euro dollar? How are you going to make money on USD CHF? There is no right or wrong. Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Brotto, hedge fund trader Clinton, if you're here. How are you going to make money tomorrow? Non-farm payroll. Are you going to sell, everybody? Are you going to buy? And on Monday we start with the Fibonacci's, right? There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. Me and yeah, sure. I'm not sure if Douglas is here. Hedge fund trader Douglas. Tomorrow, before everybody, listen up, okay? Don't do stupid things. Alright? Before I tell you what I'm going to do tomorrow, read disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, alright? Okay? You cannot copy what I do unless you learn and understand the mindset, alright? But just because you're curious, tomorrow me and Douglas we are going to calibrate. If this is tomorrow, we're going to short the market at this level before the news announcement, and then we're going to put a sell limit order up in here to short the market. And then we're going to put a sell limit order up in here to short the market. And then we're going to put the sell limit order up in here to short the market. And we're going to put all the stop losses above the A. That's our plan for tomorrow on all pairs. We are going to trade the US dollar strength. Boss, how do you know? I don't know. Everybody listen to me. It takes some time to understand that in order to make money, you don't need to know what is going to happen next on a trade by trade basis. Okay? This quote is for Mark Douglas. It's very true. So it takes some time for you to understand and learn psychologically that you don't need to know and freak out. Monday you're freaking out, Tuesday you're freaking out, Wednesday you're happy, Thursday you're freaking out, Friday you're freaking out. Make sense, everybody? You don't need to know what is going to happen next. So, boss, how you know? I don't know. But I'm going to calibrate all of these Fibonacci levels, you know, and if I am wrong, I'm going to lose 1%. Make sense, everybody? Yes, now this is a strategy. Yes, sir. This is a strategy. This Saturday we have the last day of the Fibonacci Mastery. And we're going to have the next Fibonacci Mastery, I believe, in May 2024. It's going to be the next Fibonacci Mastery. Alright, everybody? So if I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose 1%. But if I'm going to make, you know, we are going to make what? 2%, 3%, 4%, depending how it goes. Melissa saying that looks like a beautiful trade plan. It is. What is this trade plan called, Melissa? We talked about we talked about last Saturday. What is this trade plan called? It's called set and forget, exactly, very good. This strategy, set and forget, it's suitable for people who have jobs or professions, you know, or whatever. You just calibrate the Fibonacci levels, you know. Of course, you need to learn how to manage risk, right? You need to know how to enter with how much volume, how many lots, enter here and here and here and here, you know, and then you set and you forget. And then you go to pray to whom? Exactly, pray to whom you believe, you know. There's no right or wrong. But because Fibonacci has a tradable edge, and we are on the daily chart, there is an 80% chance that this price action is going to fall. Exactly. Alright, everybody? Boss, but I don't know. Boss, but I don't know how to use the Fibonacci. We are going to learn starting from Monday. Don't worry. Be patient, ask questions, alright? Next one, euro dollar. Don't worry, everybody, it takes some time to understand, you know. It's when you hear me say what makes the money is the stop loss, you know, you are nodding with your head, but it takes some time for you to understand emotionally what makes the money. The stop loss makes the money, you know. And you say, oh yeah, I mean, I can understand this, no big deal. The understanding of this concept, you know, it's emotional. It's emotional, not technical. So we have the original Fibonacci on the daily, but I'm shorting euro dollar. Short, short, short. Fibonacci mastery course again. The higher time frame controls price action movement of the smaller time frame. You know, tomorrow we are already, I'm in this trade, everybody, at this level Fibonacci. I'm in this trade, this level Fibonacci. Tomorrow, before the news, I'm going to calibrate this one to short the market. So shorting the market from here, euro dollar. Shorting the market from here, euro dollar. Shorting the market if the market gets up in here, euro dollar. Boss, but the market is going against you. So what? I'm going to say something, it's going to be counterintuitive. I really want the market to go against me. So me and Douglas, we're going to calibrate all of those levels. Sell, 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 short, 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 short. And the stop loss up in here. Make sense, everybody? Set and forget, it's a nice strategy, but it's emotionally, it could be challenging. Because you are training the brain, when the market goes against you, you are training the brain to be happy, not to be, oh my gosh, you know. So first level of a beginner trader, or maybe intermediate trader, is, oh, the market is going against me, I'm going to lose money, therefore I'm freaking out. The advanced trader or the professional trader, depending on the strategy, thinks in a slightly different way. You know, he thinks, oh, how good that the market is going against me. I'm going to get filled at a better price. I'm going to have a better risk-reward ratio, and so on, and so on, and so on. Those two are different types of thinking, everybody. Make sense? By the way, there is no right or wrong. Any questions so far? Everybody, how is trading doing? Talk to me. Talk to me, everybody. YouTubers, you talk to me. How is your trading doing? I mean, in general. Is your MyFX book? Melissa, you just started, don't worry. But otherwise, everybody, is MyFX book showing you that you are improving? Or is MyFX book showing you that you are drawdowning? Which is, again, it's normal, don't judge yourself, this is how we learn. You know, the ones who are in Darwin X, you know. How is trading doing? Do you have any questions for me? We have tomorrow, today and tomorrow, and then we go back to learning the new techniques called the Fibonacci. Everybody talk to me, how can I help you? Type in the chat. You can ask technical questions, you can ask psychological questions, you can ask risk questions regarding risk. How can I help you? You can ask any question you want. What are you struggling with? Boss, I'm struggling with not being consistently profitable. Well, talking about consistency, I know I keep repeating myself, but it's true. Talking about consistency, the answer is in the Forex course 202. Alright? Forex course 101, it's all about the market. Talking about consistency, it's Forex course 202. You're not going to learn consistency in Forex course 101. Forex course 101, it's one book that has the first page and has the last page. Forex course 202, it's another book. Make sense, everybody? Forex course 202 has nothing to do with Forex course 101. It's a different book to read. Yeah, it's an upgrade, but it's still Forex course 202 knowledge. Send me an email, I can send you the curriculum. What are you going to learn in the Forex course 202? But you can ask, Melissa is here and Javan is here. You can ask them. You know, Forex course 202 has nothing to do with Forex course 101. It's a different book to read, different knowledge, different stuff, different concepts. Melissa is asking, can you trade fibs alone? Melissa, would you be so kind and be more specific? What do you mean by can you trade fibs alone? Boss, I'm long on AUD JPY 4-hour chart. Everybody, do you have any specific questions? How can I help you? You can ask a psychological question, technical question. Clinton, where is your take profit on AUD JPY? Everybody be careful. Most of the yen pairs are at the monthly band. Most of the yen pairs are at the monthly band. Clinton, where is your take profit? The market is going to go up. How do you know? How do you know? I mean, the market could go up, but how do you know that the market is not going to bounce in here and start going down back? Can you guarantee that the market is going to go up? If you can guarantee, I'm going to give you $1 million and you trade for me. If you can guarantee, everybody listen to this, and it's not a joke. If you can guarantee that the AUD JPY is going to go up, I'm going to give you $1 million, it's not a joke, and you are going to buy AUD JPY. But if you lose, you are personally liable to give me the money back. See how the story changes? Oh, this market is going to go up. How do you know? Forex course 2 to be very careful with assumptions. Assumption is one of the root causes of traders losing money, over trading, doing stupid stuff, because you believe, you are assuming that you know. Melissa is asking, do you have to use other signals? Can it show the trade on its own? Great question, Melissa. So talking about the direction, you can use only the Fibonacci. Talking about trading, just the Fibonacci direction, it's not enough. Melissa saying course 2 it's very individualized. Take profit 99322, 99322, 99. Take profit 99322. Give me a second, everybody. Take profit at 99.322. Well, what can I tell you? It could go up, but also, everybody, there is no right or wrong, but me personally, I'm not buying at the bands. Make sense? This is no recommendation. This is no recommendation. This is how I trade. I could be long. When the market hits the red, I'm not long anymore. The market could go up for 2 months, I'm not long. At the first signal of the monthly band, I'm staying out and I'm shorting. I'm preparing to short. There is no, I cannot tell you what to do. There is no right or wrong. By the way, we have another pivot point in here. Pivot point, there you go. Alright. Alright, everybody, see you back tomorrow. Tomorrow we have the non-farm payroll. Alright. And Melissa, see you in about 15 minutes in the Forex course 202. Alright, everybody, until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss. You are the boss of your account. Never forget this. You are the owner